Hey there, let's have a deep conversation today. No filters, no sugarcoating, just a real, honest talk about something we all struggle with but rarely question. Have you ever felt that gut wrenching fear of losing someone or something? Maybe your job, your reputation, your money, your status, or even your identity. Yeah, we all have. It is that feeling that creeps in late night when your mind won't shut up, whispering, what if I lose this? What if things change? What if I end up with nothing? But let's flip the script for a second. What if I told you that you can't actually lose anything? Because nothing in this world truly belongs to you. Not your possessions, not your relationships, not even your body. Sounds crazy, right? But stay with me because once you understand this, once you really get it, life starts feeling a little lighter. So we grow up believing that we own things. That this phone is mine, this house is mine, this person is mine, this life is mine. We attach ourselves to these things so deeply that the thought of losing them shakes us to our core. But here is the question, can you really own something if it can be taken away at any moment? Think about it. You get a new phone, the latest model, and you are obsessed with it. You take care of it, make sure it doesn't get scratched, keep it charged, but one day it slips out of your hand and falls, screen shattering into a thousand tiny pieces. That's it. It's gone. Now ask yourself, was it ever really yours? Or take relationships. You meet someone, fall in love, and you feel like they are a part of you, but then life happens. Maybe they leave, maybe you grow apart, maybe something unexpected happens, and suddenly the person you thought you could never live without is gone. And it hurts, of course, it hurts. But does that mean they were ever truly yours? We tell ourselves we own things, but in reality, we are just borrowing them for a while. Everything, our homes, our jobs, our loved ones, even our own bodies, is just temporarily with us. So, if nothing really belongs to us, why do we cling so hard? Fear of loss is basically fear of change, and let's be honest, change is terrifying. Even when we know it is inevitable, even when we tell ourselves we are ready for it, when it actually happens, it feels like the ground is being ripped out of under us. We fear losing people because we think they define us. We fear losing things because we believe they complete us. We fear losing time because we think we are running out of it. But here is the truth. Nothing stays the same ever. Have you ever lost something, maybe a friendship, a job, an opportunity, and felt like your world was ending, but then, months or years later, you look back and realize you survived, that you moved on, maybe even found something better? That's life. It takes things away, but it also gives. The problem is we focus so much on what is taken that we forget to see what is being given. Let me tell you a story. So there was a man who loved collecting things. He had a huge collection of rare, expensive watches. He spent years building it, and it was the pride and joy. He would polish them every day, take them out of their cases just to admire them. One day, his house caught fire. He had only a few minutes to escape, and in that moment, he had to make a choice, try to save his collection or save himself. Of course, he chose to save himself, but as he stood outside watching his house burn, watching the things he loved most disappear in front of his eyes, he felt like a part of him had died. For weeks he was devastated, but then something strange happened. Without his watches, without his collection, without the things he had poured his identity into, he felt lighter. It was like he had been freed from something he didn't even realize was weighing him down. And that is the thing about loss. It forces you to see who you are when you have nothing to hide behind. Look around you, everything you see, your home, your friends, your belongings, will all be gone one day. Your parents, your siblings, your best friends, one day they won't be here, and neither will you. Now, does that mean you should stop loving, stop caring, stop enjoying things? No, of course not. It just means you should stop fearing. Enjoy the moment while it is here. Love deeply without worrying about forever. Own things without letting them own you, because the truth is, forever is an illusion. Everything you have right now is just passing through your life. The people, the experiences, the emotions, they come, they stay for a while, and then they go. It is like waves in the ocean. You can't hold on to a wave, you can only watch it rise, crash, and disappear, only for another one to take its place. So instead of fighting against it, instead of clinging so tightly to things you can't control, maybe the answer is to just let go. Okay, so let's do a little exercise. Think about the thing you are most afraid of losing. Maybe it's your job, your reputation, your partner, your youth. Now ask yourself, if I lost this, what is the worst that could happen? Would it hurt? Yes. Would it be difficult? Probably. Would it destroy you? No. Because you are more than the things you own, more than your relationships, more than your achievements. You are something that cannot be taken away. And when you finally understand that, when you finally get that you don't own anything, but you are everything, life starts feeling a lot lighter. So, what are you afraid of losing? I will leave you with one final thought. If nothing in this world truly belongs to you, if everything is temporary, if life is just a series of waves rising and falling, giving and taking, then what really are you afraid of losing? And if the answer is nothing, then maybe, just maybe, you are already free. Thank you so much for listening.